In a world filled with makeup, new launches every day, an impossible amount of choices, Emani, that's me, here to eliminate all your stress, creating a guide to help you with your makeup routine. Time for the session for the first episode of my Unfiltered Makeup Guide series. I'm going to hold your hand and we're going to take baby steps to help you not only understand, but build your own makeup routine from scratch. I sat on the phone for over an hour with my best friend who knows absolutely nothing about skincare and makeup so that I can better understand what you guys need as your new beauty tutor. And baby, do y'all need some help? Today's episode is going to be on the most important part of your future makeup routine, and that's skincare. Because imagine being dirty and trying to put on some fresh, clean clothes.
Yuck!
Now, I'm not here to try to sell you on a million different products and nor tell you that you need perfect skin to achieve a flawless routine. But there is a minimum. You need a face wash, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. Please remember that skincare is trial and error, so you need to find the products that not only work for your skin type, your concerns, but as well as your budget. Now, you may not need sunscreen when you go out at night, but I expect at the very least to have a clean, moisturized face. Pro tip, wait about 15 minutes before you do your makeup. That way your skincare has time to absorb and you avoid any negative reactions with your makeup like peeling. Did we understand everything? Did we learn anything new? If you have any questions, let me know. Now, I understand today was the first day, so you came a little unprepared, but next episode, we're talking all about primer, so I expect you to bring a pen and paper. Class is adjourned. I'll see you in the next one.